Hello everyone, let's see how we can install Steam games on a second hard drive. It's very simple. First of all, Steam up here, then we go to settings, we press storage down here. So as you can see, I have only my local drive C. I have to create another one, so I press here and I choose add drive. It will find my D drive. I have multiples, yes I do. D, it's just fine. I press add and now I can select the D. I can remove it if I don't want it anymore, but for now we need it because we need to install another game. So let's find a new game, maybe a free game, trending free. Rensport seems heavy. I will go with Eidolon. It's just fine. Okay, so go here, play game. I select my D volume and I press install. Now it's downloading, but if I go to my storage, as you can see, Eidolon is on my D volume and not on my C volume. So now I can manage multiple Steam apps folders on different hard drives. That's it. If you need more tutorials, let me know. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.